Are you looking to learn a Chinese instrument, but there are no Chinese instrumental schools near you? Or are you stuck at home due to the COVID-19 pandemic? Today, I'm going to share with you on how to make your online lessons smooth and enjoyable. So now let's start with tips on your internet connection. Tip number 1. Use a laptop or desktop with LAN connection if possible. Cables are much more reliable, however there might be some cabling restrictions that you might face. So the next best alternative might be a good Wi-Fi connection. Tip number 2. Try to have at least a 3-bar connection. If you are using a computer, mobile phone or tablet with Wi-Fi, try to position your device closer to the Wi-Fi router. And the best will be if it is in the same room. And yes, the distance does matter. You might want to take note of the Wi-Fi router's coverage as well, whether it can cover the distance between the router and the device. Tip number 3. This is more for intermediate and advanced players. You can also pre-record the pieces that you will be going through in the lesson and send the video to your teacher in advance. After sending, you can then attend the online lesson to do a review and work on some short passages with your teacher. Tip number 4. Try out different platforms like Google Meet, Zoom or Skype, and select the one that works best for you. Platforms like these are often free and reliable to try out. Tip number 5. Position your device such that your teacher can see your posture. You can do so by adjusting the angle of your camera. We suggest that you use a laptop or otherwise purchase a stand for your mobile device. This will improve the experience and quality of the online lessons. I will put some of my recommendations of mobile stands in the video description. Otherwise, you can also DIY something. Some people just place it on a music stand or lean the device against some backing. You can be creative about it. For Erhu, Ran, Liuqing, and Pipa, it is important for the teacher to see your hand posture. So make sure the camera angle allows your teacher to see both the left and right hand while you play. As for Guqing and Guzheng, position the camera in front of you. Try to angle the camera such that your teacher can see both your hands and whichever string that you are plucking. The Dizi is the simplest. Just position it straight towards the device of your choice and have an angle that the teacher can see both your lips and your fingers. I think with these tips, you're almost ready to go. If you're interested to sign up for online lessons, 8 Tones offers online Chinese instrumental class conducted by very talented professionals who can teach in both English or Mandarin. Click on the link in this post to find out more. And if you need an instruments or accessories like music stands, you can also find the links in this post. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.